Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jennifer Alicando once again, and for today's video is ito yung araw na pinakamasayang araw sa isang estudyante at syempre sa isang magulang. Bilang nanay ay sobrang saya namin na meron kaming anak na magtatapos sa kolehiyo ngayong araw na ito, at hindi lang siya magtatapos lang, meron siyang Latin honor. Nagawaran siya ng magna cum laude yung aking anak. Kaya naman, tara guys, samahan nyo kami sa aming pagbabiyahe na ito. And pag alis namin sa bahay, grabe, ang lakas ng ulan. Parang sign of blessing ba? Malakas na blessing, o diba? Tapos pagdating namin doon sa venue ay walang ulan. Pasensya na guys, maingay. Nandito yung aking mga apo, kaya di tayo makabele. Kanina pa ako gustong mag voice over, kaso hindi ko magawa. Naglalaro yung mga bata, maririnig nyo sila. O ayan, di ba? So ito na nga guys. So ito yung kasiyahan natin bilang magulang, na meron tayong anak na gagraduate at may Latin honor pa. So this makes us proud as parent, di ba, na may anak tayong binigyan ng Diyos ng katalinuhan. Kasi ayan yung aking anak na si Jenrev, siya yung magtatapos ng college, and hindi pa siya nakakapag-graduate ay meron na agad siyang trabaho. Actually sa kanyang graduation ay naka 3 weeks na siyang pumapasok sa kanyang trabaho, o di ba? Naggrabing favor ng Lord, hindi pa siya nag-graduate pero may trabaho na siya.
In 1908, it was processional. The faculty. College of Education, College of Engineering, College of Human Genetics, College of Political Science and Public Administration, College of Science, College of Social Sciences and Development, Vice President for Research, Extension and Development, Dr. Ana Rubini Gabasi. Vice President for Civil Affairs and Services, Tomas Oldestor. Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Manuel C. Guzman. Executive Vice President and concurrent Vice
sa lahat ng bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mo, may dilagang tuwa, tawid sa pagkakitawa. Islap ng utawag, may tanong, may dadabilin. Tuwing natawa natin ang may magdilim. Lupa ng araw-araw, ating magsinta mo ay langit sa piling mo. Ang ligaya na pagpay malapit, ang patay ng payo sa'yo.
Administration, please rise. Mr. President, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for the degrees Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Human Resource Development Management. Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Human Resource Management. Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship, and Bachelor of Science in Office Administration from the College of Business Administration, academic year 2024-2025. The graduation of these candidates was approved by the University Academic Council and confirmed by the Board of Regents.
By University President Dr. Manuel M. Muhi.
By virtue of the authority vested in me by the Charter of the University and the Board of Regents, I hereby confer upon you the degrees for which you have been recommended, with all the rights, honors, and privileges, as well as the obligations and responsibilities hereunto appertaining. Congratulations! Mabuhay kayong lahat.
Congratulations!
Commencement speaker. At 78 years old, Attorney Makalipan remains the most visible and respected election lawyer in the country, a product of hard work and perseverance. He began working at the age of 18 while pursuing his studies. He earned his Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in Advertising, in 1969 from the Philippine College of Commerce, now known as Polytechnic University of the Philippines, and later obtained his Bachelor of Laws degree from the University of the East. In 1978, he successfully passed the bar examinations with an impressive rating of 83.1%. His career spans a decade of dedicated service in the field of election law. In 2007, he was appointed by the Supreme Court as a member of the Subcommittee on Rules on Election Protest, working alongside equally esteemed legal luminaries. Since 1984, he has focused his practice on election and political cases, authoring primers and writing widely cited articles that have significantly advanced public understanding of election law and democracy in our country. His professional excellence has been recognized by various institutions. In 1991, he was honored as the most outstanding alumnus of the Polytechnic University of the Philippines in law practice and broadcast journalism. In 2003, he was named most outstanding jubilarian by the University of the East Alumni Association and inducted into its Hall of Fame. Beyond his legal practice, he has dedicated himself to championing the rights and welfare of senior citizens through his tireless advocacy, including personal lawsuits against establishments that deny benefits to seniors to ensure that justice is upheld where it matters most. At present, he continues his public service through his radio program, Senior Moments, on the DWIC.
Abeliano Mir Sheikh Estrellas, magna cum laude. Alejandro Jeffrey Alejandro, magna cum laude. Alex Allen A. Luca, cum laude. Alzada Ortega Tilla, cum laude. Amor Nicholas Suarez, magna cum laude. Ando Eugene Mantuan, magna cum laude. Andres Elijah Howard. Anthony Kimberly James Willie. Martina Lucy Gloria magna cum laude. Apostol Jacob Han, magna cum laude. Argoncillo Richard Rose Vega, magna cum laude. Ariola.
To our distinguished guest speaker, Honorable Attorney Romulo Makalipan, the esteemed Board of Regents, our University President, Dr. Manuel M. Vice Presidents, our respected deans, the chairpersons of departments, and our dedicated faculty and staff, the supportive parents, friends, families, and of course, my fellow scholar at negosyanteng mga bayan, the graduates of class of 2025, mabuhay at sa pinagpalang hapon po sa amin lahat. Let me begin with a question that we so often ask in our ordinary days. Kumusta ka? Are you okay? Most of the time, we answer without thinking, okay lang, ayos lang, I'm fine. But deep down, we know that answer isn't always the truth. For some, being okay means posting smiles on social media, sharing memes on Facebook, or reposting TikTok video trends. Pero deep inside, marami sa atin ang nagpapanggap masaya para takpan ng pagod, ang problema, at ang mga gabi na hindi natin tayo paliwanag. For others, being okay is laughing with friends and family, enjoying meals together, or hanging out across different places. For some of us, it's collecting achievements, medals, and positions, showing the world that we're doing fine. And for you, being okay is simply waking up in the morning, choosing to keep going on when life feels heavy. Sometimes, okay is real, but sometimes it hides a quieter truth. So we want to push to you. When you say you're okay, do you mean you're coping? Or do you mean you're healed? Because there's a difference. Coping is surviving the storm, but healing is finding calm after the storm. Coping is running through the motions, but healing is breathing without pretending. And sometimes, our fastest coping mechanism is business. Running with internships, side hustles, content creation, creating, mentalito, leading organizations, events, joining competitions, and leadership programs. Hindi dahil hindi namin kaya, kundi dahil kapag tayo mamito at maramdaman ng kaya na hindi natin. And that's normal. But normal doesn't have to be permanent.
Pledge of loyalty.
Itaas ang kamay at ulutin ang aking mga sarili. Ako si na nagtapos ng kurso ay buong pusong naglupa na magiging tapat sa lahat ng panahon sa mga alikain, pangunan at prinsipyo ng Politeknikong Universidad ng Pilipinas. Ang aking sintang-paaralan at sa organisasyon ng mga alumni at kumakatawan nito. Ako ay nakakako na pagyayamanin ko ang aking napiling profesyon na may paggalang sa mga liturturing ng universidad at sa mga batas ng Pilipinas. Hindi ako gagawa ng mga bagay na isasama ng kanyang pangalan. Itataguyod ang kanyang lalong ikahusay at kabubunyi ng kanyang pangalan. Bilang eskola ng bayan, na kumikilala sa Estado sa kanyang malaking ambag sa aking pag-aaral. Inaaral ko ang aking buhay. Husay at talino, pinakapakipang-inamang na mamamayan ng Pilipinas. Ako ay maglilingkod sa aking kapwa-tao para sa kaunlad ng aking bayan. Lahat ng ito ay aking tututin nang wala ng namang paswagi o pag-aalilan. Asihan mawa ako ng may kapal. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas.
May request everyone.
Hanggang dito na lang muna. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Salamat sa pagtanaw. God bless you and ingat kayo palagi. Bye!